Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Paper Pumpkin Week here at Wireman's Whimsy, and this is the Delicate Wings April 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So let's see what's in the box. Alrighty, we have our instructions. And as always, the instructions are in color and they have really good descriptions of what to do. There's your kind of tape measure down the side. There's an overall of what all the projects look like. And then on the back, we've got the full contents of the kit, plus the add-on, which is the Thanks and Beyond dies. So you've got the butterfly detail and the butterfly outline. You got this really nice kind of extended hexagon, and then you got the thanks die. That's the add-on for the set. And the coordinating colors are basic beige, basic gray, lost lagoon, moody mauve, and champagne. And honestly, anything that's got moody mauve in it, I'm happy with. So we have our basic gray Stampin' Spot. We have our stamp pad, or our set of stamps. And this is the sleeve that you get that you can fold in with your stamps so you know what they are. So we've got Sending Loving Thoughts Your Way, Everything Will Be Okay, Surrounding You with Love. Then we've got some scatter dots, big fan of scatter dots, and then the two different butterflies. And I'm just going to have a look. I don't think this works, but let's just see. Let's take this die and oh, brilliant. You can die cut the butterfly out from the stamp set. How amazing is that? That is absolutely amazing. Love that. Love, love, love that. Okay, so we've got our dimensionals. We've got some Terran tape. Oh, and we've got the envelopes. Look at that with the butterflies in gold on the flap. And we've got our card bases. Let's just grab the first 3 card bases. Again, that gold foiling and front and back. So you can make double the number of cards if you're doing alternates. Then we've got the I'm Always Here For You embossed in gold with the butterfly wings that you can make 3-dimensional by lifting them up. We've got the little cover that goes with those. Then again, another back and front card base. Oh, with your champagne mats, and look at those butterflies. And then we've got another card base front and back. That's the basic gray. The other one was the Lost Lagoon. Oh, I am gonna have so much fun with this kit. And then there's some more gold embossed butterflies, and then some basic beige tags with some gold embossing on them. And then we've got this big sheet of butterflies all laser cut out. Oh, and then we've got our adhesive dots. So that is our April 2024 Delicate Wings Paper Pumpkin Kit, and these are the projects that we're going to make with it. So stay tuned for those projects and that first alternate card.